Hi, and this is Beefy Bangles. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Christmas themed ring. Okay, so all you need is some beads. Okay, I'm just going to use 2 of these red ones and 1 of these really kind of medium-sized green one. Okay, so I'll just put this on the side. And so all I'm gonna need is the beads, of course, and a pipe cleaner and some scissors. Okay, first you have to take this. You have to put your fingers like right about here, then shape it into whatever size you want. Then there. Now you have to put your beads on it like this. There. There. Now I'm going to put the middle bead in next, like this. Okay, this may be a bit confusing. Now we are going to put another red one on, like that. There. Now it might move a lot while you're doing it, so to shape it, and again, if it moves, now you have to cut these off like this. Very pointy. Now you are going to cut this side off, like this. Be sure not to cut anything else but this. There. Now, let's just tie it around. Now tie that around. But be careful again because it's very pokey. And there. Beautiful. I love it. Okay. Thank you for watching Beefy Bangles. Bye.